Good morning, everyone. We were studying chapter 9, Introduction to Email. We have already studied that what is email, its advantages, and how to use it. And we have already learned to create an email account. Now, in today's class, we are going to use the email account, and then we will also study to view emails and sending emails and attaching files to it. So, our first topic is using the email account. After creating the email account, the process we have already studied in our previous class, we can use it anytime to send or receive emails. We have already created our account and now we have to use it to send or receive emails. So for this, first we have to log in or sign in to our account first. Okay, here are some steps which we can use to send or receive emails, or we can say to view the email inbox option. Okay, so in the first step, first we have to open the website of service provider. Like in our previous class, we have created a account on Gmail. So first we have to open the Gmail with our email ID, and then we have to click on the next button to enter the password, and then when we click on the next or sign in button, our mailbox will be open. So here are the images. First we have to enter the website of the service provider, such as for Gmail we have to enter www.gmail.com, and then this will be our first page, login page, in which first we have to enter our email address. After entering it, we have to click on the next button as shown in the image, and then after entering the email address, this type of page will be open where we have to enter our password, and then we have to click on the signing option. Then our mailbox will be open, which look like this. If we are using first time, then there will be only 3 messages which was received by Gmail only, which contain some instruction related to use the Gmail account. Okay, now our next topic is viewing emails. The inbox option, as we have seen in our previous image, is used to view all the received email with sender name, subject, date, and the time of the email. Here are some steps to view emails. First, we have to click on the inbox in the left pane of the window. Various messages will appear in the right pane, and the emails that are bold are unread emails, and the emails that are normal are read emails. And in the next step, we have to click on any option, any email to read it. As you can see in the image, when we click on the inbox, here you can see in the left pane there is an inbox option after composed mail. You have to click on it. Then in the right pane, n number of emails which is in your inbox you can see, and the bold letter emails are the unread emails, and the normal emails are the read emails. Okay, if you want to view your emails, you have to click on it. That's it. And then you can see your email with the content. Here you can see the time, the attachments, the message, everything. Our next topic is sending emails. We have already learned to view emails. Now we have to learn that how to send emails by using Gmail. So there is a compose option. As I already told you, at above the inbox option there is a compose option which is used to send email. Let's see the previous image. This one, here is the inbox image, inbox option, shared option, chats option, send mail option, draft, all mail, spam and trash. In सबके ऊपर you can see the compose mail option. To send any email to one or more person, it's depend on you. First you have to click on the composed mail option. Okay, then what you have to do in the second step, you have to enter the details in the new message window and click send button to send the email. As you can see, when you click on the composed email option, this type of window will open. Here is the option to subject, CC you can see, BCC is also there. So two option is used to enter email address of the person to whom we are sending the email. जिसको हम email send कर रहे हैं उसका email address हम add करते हैं to में. ठीक है. Subject option is used to enter the title of the email. The title is entered in the subject option. The total blank option is the main area to write the message. Here is the attachment option also to attach your files with the message. Emojis option are also there to add an emoji with the message. And you can see here there is a smaller CC and BCC option. So CC is to send a copy of email to many recipient. All CC recipient are visible to other recipient. And BCC is used to send copy of email, but in the case the recipient in BCC are not visible to anyone. ओके, CC एंड BCC ऑप्शन का यूज़ हम कब करते हैं? जब हमें मल्टीपल ईमेल सेंड करने हो. दैट मीन्स कि मैसेज सिंगल है बट जो रेसिपेंट्स हैं वो हमारे मल्टीपल हैं. दैट मीन्स 5, 10 कितने भी रेसिपेंट्स हो सकते हैं. उन सब का ईमेल एड्रेस एंटर करने के लिए वी यूज़ CC एंड BCC. बट देयर इज़ अ केस जब आप चाहते हैं कि सामने वाले जितने भी रेसिपेंट हैं उन सबको बाकी सारे रेसिपेंट का ईमेल एड्रेस दिखाई दे, then you entered all the email address in CC. But in the case when you want कि recipient are not going to visible to anyone, then you choose BCC. Okay. Next topic is attaching file. As I already told you, there is a attach file option also there, so that you can attach your files with the message. You can send files such as pictures, videos and other documents as an attachment with the email at no extra cost. So here are the steps to send attachment. In the first step, you have to click on the attach file button in the new message window. And in the second step, you have to select the file to attach. And in the third step, you have to click on the open button. You have to then wait while the file is being attached. And after the file is attached, the new message window opens again and we can see the hyperlink of the attached file. So all the steps you can see in the images. First, we have to click on the composed mail option. Then we have to enter the recipient address, that is in the to option. And when we want to add the subject, we have to enter it in subject option. Then main area, we can enter our message. And if we want to send any attachment, so you can attach your files by clicking on the attachment. This small button with the A, यहाँ पे A के पास में nearby A जो option है pin type का, this button is used to attach a file. Okay, when you click on it, then आपके कंप्यूटर में जितनी भी फाइल्स होंगी, that files will be open. ठीक है, जितनी भी फाइल्स आप होंगी उसको आप ओपन कर सकते हैं, अपना फाइल मैनेजर देख सकते हैं when you click on the attachment file option. And then किसी भी फाइल को सिलेक्ट करके you have to click on the open. ठीक है, यहाँ पे जो ओपन ऑप्शन है उसके ऊपर आपको क्लिक करना है and then your file will be attached to your message. And then आपको क्या करना है, ईमेल एड्रेस आप ऑलरेडी अटैच कर चुके हो, सब्जेक्ट आपने लिख लिया है, मेन एरिया के अंदर आपने मैसेज लिख लिया है, आपकी फाइल अटैच हो गई है और उस फाइल का हाइपरलिंक आपको इस मैसेज में ऊपर दिखेगा. यानी कि जो सेंड बटन है उसके ऊपर आप उसका हाइपरलिंक देख सकते हो. एंड then you have to click on the send button to send the message or the attachment to the recipient. That's it. Thank you everyone.